here's hoping that I'll actually need these soon. Our rain gauge in the yard went in shit, so not that I really needed it, but we picked up another one, and I picked up one from home because I am sick of seeing it rain in Knockany and nothing at home. So I want to compare how much like 10 minutes over the road is actually getting compared to my farm. It's a busy Sunday morning. Chances of getting this down now could be slim, but we'll try. Do. The one upside to the ground being cracked. Oh. If only it had just rained now.